Hi guys, today's technique is very important for everyone to learn. The technique we are going to show today is something that often becomes a problem during a fight, and even in normal situation you might face this. If someone grab your hand and squeeze it tightly, it can be dangerous. So this technique is essential for both male and female. Make sure to watch carefully. It is very easy, quick and perfect technique, very real technique. So let's start. Before learning this technique, an important mistake you must avoid. What we see on YouTube and what people usually practice in normal situation is it not always effective. If the person in front of you is stronger than you, then trying to press his thumb because he has more strength. Similarly, if you round his arm like this, that also would not work because he is stronger than you. So here we will show you the best technique. It will be definitely work. As soon as someone grab your hand tightly, you need to make him feel like you are in pain so he don't try to any attack further. At the same time, act quickly. Step number 1, drop your shoulder down and pull his arm forward. Then keep your leg in side position and bring his arm onto your shoulder like this. Now lift your body upward. This will force his arm to be bent and it can be break if applied with full pressure. From this position, don't move forward, otherwise it would not cause any pain. Instead, you need to push your body backward and lift upward. That's when this technique will actually work. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Keep it, yes, turn, walk, and come here. Yes. Guys, now I'll show you this in real situation how it works or not. Yes. Guys, this technique is very effective, but it depends on how much you practice it. Only with practice will you be able to perform this technique properly. If you like the video and want to learn more techniques, make sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.